gonna have
This
our
was
own show.
nice.
I feel like we should have our own show.
Yes, let's see how we can create that.
Welcome back to our rapid fire round. Hester, best hair product you can't live without?
Working hairspray.
Nude powder spray.
Yeah.
One hair myth you wish would disappear?
Putting lemon on the hair to make it lighter.
Yeah, that's a good one.
And yours?
Putting egg yolk on your hair to make it grow. Your happy place when you're not working?
Oh, in the arms of my husband with my children.
Yeah, I would say at home. Yeah, same. And with my doggies, Chief and Cookie.
Your most memorable hairstyle you've ever created?
The hair look I did for the Born to Die video.
For me, I think my first time that I won the Avant-Garde awards, I made, yeah. A quote that resonates with you as a stylist?
Mine is, well, it's not so much a quote, but I guess a philosophy. You get out what you put in.
For me, it's like passion.
What's one word you'd use to describe your hair philosophy?
Wabi sabi.
Wabi sabi, okay, I like that.
And yours?
Mine's really boring compared to that. Beautiful.
Huh.
Yeah.
It's not boring.
I like
That's
wabi
matching.
sabi.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us and see you next time.